my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to on my friends. Are you a fan of banana pudding and cupcakes? Why not combining them together and make banana pudding cupcakes? That's right, sugar. We're gonna make banana pudding cupcakes. They're gonna be so moist and delicious, and you won't believe how simple this recipe is. We're gonna put some whipped cream on top. OMG, that sounds yummy. And they're gonna be the bomb.com. All right, you ready? Let's go bake some banana pudding cupcake magic in my southern kitchen. Alright, in my bowl, I have 1 package of cake mix, and I'm using the banana flavor. And we're going to add in 4 eggs at room temperature, 1 stick of soft and unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of banana extract, and 1 cup of banana evaporated milk, which is evaporated milk plus a half a teaspoon of banana extract. And we're going to blend all this until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my cake mix. And it smells so good. Smell lots of banana flavors, the extract and the cake mix. So next, we're going to fold in 2 bananas that I mashed. And all we do is just fold the bananas in. And that's it. See how simple and easy it was? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish folding the bananas in, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through folding the bananas in. Look how nice and smooth and creamy our batter looks. Alright, that looks great. I have my cupcake pan, and I got 12 cupcake liners. Now we're going to fill our cupcakes 3/4 of a weight inch. Alright, my friends, I'm through pouring the filling into my cupcake liners. So now we're ready to bake them. We're going to bake in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. My friends, it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Smell that banana goodness. I have taken my cupcakes out of the oven. See how nice and golden brown that looks? Alright, so now we're going to let our cupcakes cool completely, and then we're going to stick them in the refrigerator, and we're going to let them chill. And while our cupcakes are cooling, we can go ahead and get started on our whipped cream. Alright, my friends, to make our homemade whipped cream, I have 1 cup of heavy cream in my chilled bowl, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of banana extract. And we're going to put this on low, and then we're going to turn it on to medium high, and we're going to whip until it reaches soft peaks. Alright, my friends, this is what our whipped cream looks like. Nice and fluffy, look like clouds. Alright, that looks great. Alright, my friends, our cupcakes is nice and chill, and I poke a hole in the middle. I use my measuring spoon, just like that. Alright, my friends, so now we're going to put some of my banana pudding filling in the middle, and this is my homemade banana pudding. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. Alright, my friends, I got all my filling inside my cupcakes, so now we're going to pipe them with my homemade whipped cream. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern banana pudding cupcakes. Don't they look gorgeous? And I garnish them with some chopped bananas, whole and crushed vanilla wafers. These are so decadent and delightful. Alright, I'm going to fix me up a plate, and I'll give them a taste. Alright, here we go. Lord have mercy. Look at that filling in the middle. It's so moist, bursting with banana pudding goodness. These cupcakes are incredible, my friends. Yum-o. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat.